Good morning, Nick. This is the car I was referring to that was a service owner. This is going to be an SE with technology. Just want to show it to you real quick. Same functions on the seat. And I sent you a list yesterday and an email what the differences are on the technology package versus the regular SE. Just give you a little shot. Very clean car. All our cars are checked. As soon as they come back, they go in the shop. We look at the chassis. We look them over before we release them to another customer. So this car is in great shape. Here's one of the features that you get on the SE that you don't get on the S, which be the automatic lid closer. Now I had to move this one up because it was adjusted to stop there. To readjust it, hold that down. Now I got the confirmation code. Push the button, it's going to go down. Next time you open it, it'll go all the way to the top. Here's the rear of the car. And I'm going to show you this back seat area. So I sent you pricing on this one. I know it was about $35,000 and change. Don't remember exactly what it was, but this one could be yours. As I said, you can purchase it. Now it doesn't qualify for the 1.9 purchase because it would be considered pre-owned. So we would start at 2.9, but you can lease it like a new car. All right, Curtis over here at CAPOVW.